Welcome to 44 Tech Zone. In this video, we'll dive into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event, where exciting innovations like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and more could be unveiled. Event date and location. According to reports from reliable sources like Sam Mobile, the event is rumored to take place in Paris on Wednesday, July 10. This timing seems strategic, coinciding with the 2024 Paris Olympics, which Samsung sponsors. Previous releases and speculations. Looking back at last year's event, Samsung unveiled impressive devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and Galaxy Watch 6. Now, the buzz is all about the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and the anticipated Galaxy Watch 7. Expected upgrades and features. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might feature a slimmer design with a wider cover screen, while the Galaxy Z Flip 6 could see improvements in its outer display size and camera capabilities, potentially sporting a 50-megapixel main camera. New product reveals. In addition to smartphones, there's speculation about the unveiling of the Galaxy Watch 7, rumored to come with enhanced battery life and advanced sleep apnea detection technology, catering to diverse consumer needs. As we await official confirmation from Samsung, remember to stay tuned for updates and developments leading up to the Galaxy Unpacked event. Don't forget to subscribe to 44 Tech Zone for more tech insights and news. Thanks for watching.